Capstone Assignment 4. The Arctic Circle in Alaska's biochemistry is different than other places. There is a high amount of greenhouse gases that are being released there. There is such a high number of greenhouse gases released that the lake looks like it is boiling because of all the greenhouse gases that are escaping from the lake bed. The bubbles are large enough that you're able to see them from a decent distance. It is releasing methane. As the permafrost is melting, this is releasing these gases into the atmosphere, which is then causing them to be even more global warming taking place. The ice underneath is holding methane in it, therefore when it melts, it is releasing it into the atmosphere. The amount of methane that is in the water is bad and it can do a lot of damage. This is why it is really important for it to stay contained in the lake. This is impacting the people that live there in many ways. One of the biggest things is the quality of air. Since there is all of this gas being released, it is not good for the people to breathe it in. With there being an increased amount of it, it is causing people to breathe in the increased amount. Another thing is that it is increasing the weather to be warmer, which people may like, but it is only causing the problem to get worse, and it is increasing global warming even more. The best solution to this problem is to stop burning fossil fuels. This is the same cause of global warming. The lake is not going to slow down what is taking place unless we do something to change that. With the fossil fuels being the number one reason, this looks like the best idea. We need to do something about this issue now because there is no turning back. We cannot undo the problem, we can only prevent it from getting worse. It is important for people to get educated on this and to really want to make a change. This is the only way for this to really happen at the end of the day.